Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have an ABUS 3455 hardened steel padlock with I think a 12mm shackle, very reflective, kindly lent me by my good friend Yukov. And there is the key. Just look at that. We'll look at that bitting a bit later, just before I pick it. But yeah, very cool lock, double ball bearing mechanism, of course. And I have picked this. I haven't gutted it yet. It's very spooly, lots of good fun, and yeah, super cool lock. So let's stick this in a vise and get going. Okay, now I've moved the camera so it doesn't blur out as much when I'm picking. It was being really weird. So we have very good bitting here. Low, high, low, high, low, and that's probably a zero lift. Super fun to pick, very spooly. I'm going to try and pick this with a medium hook in 1/18,000th, bottom of the keyway, top of the keyway tool. I'm just going to go in and see what we get. So just pulling back through, that's pin 3, a little click, nothing on 6 there, 5, 4, 3, little click, 2, really sort of deep set. Okay, so anything on 6 now? No. 5, no. 4, oh, little nudge, and we're into a deeper false set. 3, 2, anything on 1? Little click there on 1. Some counter rotation as well. Is there anything on 4? I'm on pin 4 now. Feels good. I'm concerned that we feel like we're almost there, but we can't get that elusive last pin. So it's not on 6. Is it 5? Giving counter rotation. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we must have like a leftover pin, which we just need to set. So pin 1 doesn't feel like it wants to do anything. Pin 2, I can try it, but it feels good. Pin 3, there we go. Pin 3 wasn't set. Back through, back through, back through. Pin 1, counter rotation on 1, and we're open. There we go. Really spooly, but then it's an ABUS, right? That's what we expect with a... Why aren't you opening with an ABUS? There we go. And why didn't you open up? Did I just turn it back or something? I probably did, didn't I? I think I re-locked it. Nope, don't think so. Because that's where it was. That's all the way round. And I can't release the shackle. That is the weirdest thing in the world. How strange. What's going on inside there? What can I do about that? No, it turns back that way. So that's the weirdest thing. Why won't you open? Oh, there we are. What was that about? That is the strangest lock. Okay, well, we're open again now. That is so weird. I thought I'd broken it. I've never seen a lock like it. Why would it do that? I don't know. Don't question it. Don't question it. We picked it. It's fine. I think. Yeah, so you have to have the key in to turn it to do that, to open it up. So that's awkward. Okay, big old screw. So now can I lock it back up? And now can I withdraw that and take this out? This is very strange. What a weird lock. Why won't you come out? How do you... So it has to do that. It won't come out any further. Once that's out, you can't turn it. So it can only be like this. But the screw's out of the way, so I'm assuming that I can get under here somehow. I don't want to damage this lock. It's on loan from a friend, but there must be a simple way for this to sort of just slide out, surely. So it goes in and can come out a bit, so I'm assuming that I just need to gently pry it. Yeah, wow, that was awful. Then we can take the little core out and then figure out why on earth it went round. Ah, must be short driver pins that went into the so it must have been like that, and I was able to withdraw the key because the key pins are so short. That's such a weird sort of design flaw, I guess. I mean, that's terrible. I'm glad I didn't mess this up. That could have easily been a horrendous mess. Let's quickly gut this in. Get one of my followers, the small one. There we go, and a shim for sure, because I don't want to mess this up any more than I already have. And then we'll get the key in, do a bit of this. I imagine it's 5 spools and 1 standard, but I could be wrong. Let's have a go, let's see what we get. Tweezers, tweezers, tweezers. So those are all the key pins out. Let's have a look at those driver pins then. So take that out. As we expected, spool, 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 spool. I think we must have standard at the back, right? Must do. Spool, standard. Yep, that's what I thought. Very, very Abusy to have that. So there's the bitting. We have all standard key pins of different sizes, of course, and then we have a classic 5 very sharp, very nice spoody spools with a standard pin in pin 6, which is very classic for an Abus. And there you go, that was the uh-oh, that was the Abus 3155. Very cool.